Okay, what else?
Alright, Sophia, decisions. What you can eat?
No what berries. You should try
Oh,
this.
somebody wants to go.
You go.
Uh-oh, Christine. Careful.
Okay, get this out. The pink pants will show all your pee-pee. Okay, and everybody will laugh at you, and I don't have children. Let's go try. Let's try. Wait. Wait. I will take you quick. I will carry you. You pee, and we will come back.
No.
Please.
No. Too far.
You don't need. Can you sit in here? Wait, I would sit.